welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, and we are doing a 6-minute 100 days drawing challenge, but it's kind of a change. We are doing it with Sharpies.
Yes, we're back with the Sharpie drawings. All you need is a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors. Let's get started with what are we going to do today?
We are going to draw our Minecraft alley, the one of the most annoying mobs in Minecraft.
One of the most annoying mobs in Minecraft. Okay, why is it annoying?
Because it chases you around a lot.
Okay. So have you seen Minecraft? Have you played Minecraft?
And if you give it item, it's invincible.
Oh, okay. So today, let's draw a Minecraft alley. And do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and a comment below if you want to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun and Club. Wait there till the end of the video. Hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and a comment below. Let's get started with the Sharpie. Over to the paper.
It's episode
Gonna be an easy drawing.
47.
Episode number 47 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Yeah, we're making a square.
Because everything in Minecraft is a square.
Okay.
That's one thing funny about Minecraft.
We make
Everything in a
another
square.
block. I made it a little longer, but it's okay.
I'm going to make a perfect square.
Yeah. That's how the body is. The eyes.
Now the hands.
And the hands. How do we do the hands?
It's a 3D shape.
This. 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 Similarly over here. This. 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 Okay. Now the wings. Allay has wings. Okay.
You can fly. That's why it's so annoying.
Oh, its ability to fly makes it annoying. Are you following me?
Yes, I guess.
Done till here?
Now let's move on to the coloring.
No, wait.
I have finished.
Okay. Now we make a few steps. Yes. Now we can move to coloring it using the how do we color it?
It's very easy.
So what we do is we first make it all blue. Parikshit, are we done?
Almost.
Show it to your friends. Okay, so after a long time, we have gotten back to the Sharpie drawings. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. If you also did follow us, if you also did drew with us, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. And I hope you have already liked and subscribed to the channel and added your comments below on what you did like about the video, what you did not like about the video, and what should we be drawing next. Yes, you can tell us all about whatever you think about the video, and the first 5 comments are going to get some goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. See you in the next video. The episode number.
Wait.
Okay. This was episode number 47. We will be moving on to episode number 48 tomorrow. Parikshit is adding some creativity to his drawing. Let's see how it looks. Done, Parikshit?
Almost color that and that.
Very good. Excellent drawing by Parikshit. Have a
Great and a wonderful day.
bye-bye.